Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life? We often carry silent burdens that affect our happiness and well-being. But what if I told you there was a way to lighten these burdens in a discreet way? In today's video, we're going to explore Stoicism and discover how to eliminate 11 burdens from your life in silence. We'll find inner peace, cultivate a resilient mindset, and achieve a lighter, deeper life. Lesson 1. Don't explain yourself to those who cause you pain. When someone close to you hurts you, don't worry about explaining everything in detail or confronting them dramatically. The best thing is to move on, protecting your inner peace. If they come back asking for help, a simple no is enough. Don't feel obliged to help someone who has broken your trust. Create space discreetly between you and let time reveal the consequences of their actions, focusing on taking care of yourself. Respect yourself and avoid keeping those who don't value you in your life. Lesson 2. Abandon unnecessary goals. On our journey, we are often faced with critical decisions and the need to act authentically. It's important to recognize when certain goals no longer align with our true purpose. Abandoning these goals is essential in order to focus on what really matters. Make these adjustments discreetly, protecting your intentions and ensuring that your actions are in line with your values. As Seneca said, "We are not short of time, but waste a lot of it." Lesson 3. Don't overshare. Especially in terms of relationships, be discreet about intimate details. Disclosing conflicts or reasons for a breakup disrespects privacy and fuels gossip. Reflect internally on these experiences, promoting a deeper and more respectful healing process. Marco Aurelio reminds us that we have power over our minds, not over external events. Recognize this and find strength. Lesson 4. Avoid raising your voice in front of others. During moments of frustration or anger, the temptation to vent is great. However, speaking softly in moments of tension is a journey towards inner control. Remember, calm is our greatest virtue. Heraclitus was right when he said that staying calm is the greatest virtue. The next time you feel your emotions running high, speak calmly. It's a superpower all of its own. Lesson 5. Avoid spreading negative opinions about others. Speaking badly of someone casts a shadow over their character. Instead, choose empathy. Understand that each person faces invisible battles. By doing so, you can build bridges and navigate relationships skillfully. Leave a comment saying, "I will remove these burdens from my life." Lesson 6. Stop constantly comparing yourself to others. Constantly comparing yourself to others is exhausting and robs you of joy. Celebrate your own quirks, mistakes, and victories. Embrace your authentic, unfiltered journey. Epictetus reminds us, control your perceptions, direct your actions correctly, and willingly accept what is beyond your control. Lesson 7. Excessive use of social media. Social networks often make us feel dissatisfied with our lives. Use them with purpose and limit your time on them. Ask yourself if the interaction is constructive. If social media is affecting your mood, consider taking a break. Value your own narrative. Lesson 8. Stop looking for external validation. Imagine leaving the stage where everyone judges you and entering a space where only your voice matters. Prioritize your own voice and live true to your values. Moments of fulfillment usually come when we remain true to ourselves, regardless of other people's expectations. Be authentic. Lesson 9. Avoid perfectionism. Perfectionism can lead to stress and the feeling of never being good enough. Accept your imperfections as part of personal growth. Celebrate your efforts and redefine success as its own journey, full of learning and personal growth. Lesson 10. Let go of unrealistic expectations. Unrealistic expectations can blind us to the beauty of our true selves. Start by being honest with yourself and set goals that resonate with who you really are. The beauty is in the journey, not the destination. Lesson 11. Avoid gossip. Gossip undermines our integrity. Nurture conversations with kindness and understanding, cultivating an environment of trust and respect. Avoid engaging in negative conversations and instead promote empathetic and genuine interactions. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more content, activate the notification bell, and show your support with a like and a comment. To explore more about Stoic wisdom, watch the additional videos available on your screen. See you next time.